One of the problems in math education is that very often we are taught something incorrectly or we misinterpreted the teacher. I was taught that you cannot take the logarithm of a negative number. Not only can you take the log of a negative number, you can take the logarithm of a complex number. In math, we are sometimes led to believe that only real numbers could be solutions to a problem. However, with quadratic equations, we do learn to accept complex numbers. I have listed links to 7 YouTubes which perpetuate these myths. I believe all of these YouTubes should be resubmitted with the missing solutions. Here is a list of those YouTubes with their names so that you can check them out for yourself. So let's take a representative problem so we can illustrate how we can solve those 7 problems for the missing solution. We start off with 5 to the x power plus 25 to the x power equal 30. We substitute for 5 to the x y. This gives us y. 25 is 5 squared, so that's y squared equal 30. We factor this and we get y plus 6 and y minus 5. The y plus 5 is a solution that everybody will follow along, so I'm not going to do that in this case. I will follow the negative solution. So if we solve this, we get x is equal to log of minus 6 divided by the log of 5. But before we evaluate this expression, we know that 5 to the x is equal to minus 6. So we put minus 6 there, minus 6 squared, and we get 36 minus 6 is 30. Now let's look in more details. The log of minus 6 is equal to log of minus 1 plus the log of 6. Okay, the log of minus 1 from Euler's formula is I pi. So the log of minus 6 divided by the log of 5 is I pi plus log of 6 divided by the log of 5, which now is convenient because we know from the definition of logarithms, or an exponent, that 5 is equal to e to the log of 5. So 5 to the x, we just take and multiply this by our expression over here. The log of 5's cancel out, and we get e to the I pi plus log of 6, which is equal to e to the I pi times the log of 6. E to the I pi is minus 1. So we've now shown how to get the missing solution and check the answers. I presented this because one of my concerns with mathematics is more than just logarithm of negative numbers not being fully understood, but a lot of other things in math. And sometime in the future, I hope to take some of these other areas of math which I have questioned. Thank you very much for your attention.